Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. This is just a very quick one, but I woke up this morning and one of the worst things happened. The kettle was broken, so I couldn't have my morning coffee. I haven't yet killed anyone, but it's going to be close if I don't fix it now, so follow along while I fix it. And before I do, something very important. Thank you, David, for being my patron. I really appreciate all the help and support you've given since the beginning. You are an awesome dude, and I love you to bits. Right, if you'd like to join David and get behind the scenes, early access, all sorts of other things, like a one-to-one chat session, all that sort of thing, pop down in the description and follow the links. Don't feel like you have to, though, if you can't afford it, because times are quite hard at the moment. Do not feel like you have to, but I'd appreciate it if you can. Anyway, let's get on. As I'm sure it's the same for everyone at the moment, money's got very tight, and as such, the kettle decided to break. It's the actual pedal, the button to turn it on and off, and it's actually just a tube around an LED, and it's actually snapped off at the base where it connects to the LED, just in there. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the 2-part epoxy. We're only going to need a very, very small amount of this, and I'm just going to touch it around the edges of that and plonk it on. You should always use gloves when using epoxy. Do as I say, not as I do. And that's more than enough for what we need. Mix until fully combined. Now all I'm going to do is dip this end in it. I'm going to place it over the LED. Touch where it's got to stick, take it back off again, and I'm going to do that again just to make sure I've got a bit on each side. Then I'm going to place it down over the LED again, and I'm going to hold it in place. Okay, so the disaster was averted and I was able to get my coffee. I appreciate you watching. If you'd like to become a patron, pop down in the description and follow the links. If you can't, don't feel like you have to. But thanks again for watching. Cheers.